The meme coin landscape operates at a breakneck speed fueled by intense volatility. Investors frequently see massive surges followed immediately by complete market crashes. Having navigated both extremes, I'll admit I faced several failures before mastering the underlying mechanics. Eventually, those experiences coalesced into a reliable framework that delivers results. This guide outlines that specific methodology and demonstrates how I launch meme coins to help you streamline your own journey. The turning point in my career was stopping viewing meme coins as simple, pump and dump schemes for fast cash. Instead, I began treating them as serious projects requiring dedicated effort. This mental shift significantly boosted my performance. Currently, I prioritize new launches. Like many, I started on pump.fun due to its massive initial volume, but the sheer level of competition makes success difficult there. Even with a solid plan, luck is a factor, and losses are part of the process. Seeking a more stable environment led me to Raydium. It feels more professional, less cluttered, and better structured for sustainable growth. Unlike the non-stop noise of other platforms, Raydium's steadier launch rhythm allows a project the necessary breathing room to gain genuine traction. After testing various tools, I settled on SplixFun, which simplifies the Raydium deployment process by removing technical hurdles like smart contract coding. You can take an asset live in just a few minutes. Step 1. Visual identity launching. Without a logo is a major mistake, as visual appeal is the first thing an investor notices. A striking, funny, or memorable design prevents users from scrolling past your token. Pro tip: use trending memes for inspiration. I'm using popular meme that was trending a minute ago about streamer named Clavicular was frame mogged. Requirement: your image must be exactly 128 by 128 pixels. When everything perfect, just download the image and let's jump straight to the Splix. Step 2. Token configuration. The setup is straightforward. Connect your wallet and enter the details. Name: Clavicular Frame Mog Symbol, MOGG. Logo: upload your 128 by 128 image. Step 3. Tokenomics and socials. While tokenomics may seem daunting, the platform's default settings are usually optimized for success. I typically only add a sharp, witty description to serve as the hook. Regarding socials, Twitter/Telegram, while many use them to build trust, I personally find they don't make a significant difference in my specific workflow. Step 4. Security authorities. Establishing credibility is vital, and revoking authorities is the best way to protect holders. Revoke freeze ensures trading cannot be halted. Revoke mint caps the supply so no new tokens can be created. Revoke update prevents the contract from being changed later. Note: leaving these open is a red flag. I recommend enabling all three for maximum safety. Step 5. Launch and verification. Once you click launch and approve the wallet transaction, the blockchain deploys your token almost instantly. Verification. Immediately check your token on Solscan to ensure all details are correct. You can monitor the total supply and all on-chain activity here. Step 6. Managing liquidity. To make a token buyable, you must provide liquidity via the platform's liquidity management window. Connect wallet. Ensure you are connected in the top right. Token A. Select your token and use 90% of your balance. Token B, Solana. Enter the amount of SOL you wish to pair. I usually put as much as possible here since these funds remain within the pool structure. Create pool. Finalize the process to go live on Raydium and trackers like Photon. Step 7. Monitoring and exit. Once the pool is active, you can view your live chart. Let's press trade button so it redirects us to our token chart. While the market has no guarantees, you will notice patterns as bots and new buyers enter the fray, increasing valuation. Let's just watch how token perform. I will speed up the video.
I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. I've been painting every fence I know
When you see solid liquidity on the chart, that's your cue to make the final move. Head back over to Splix, hit the minus button, drag that slider all the way to 100%, and approve the transaction in your wallet. Congratulations, you've just executed your first rug pull. I started this run with only 1.2 SOL, and in just a matter of minutes, I'm sitting on 5 SOL. The best part is that you can rinse and repeat this exact scheme as many times as you want. That's it for today. Don't forget to drop a like, hit subscribe, and join my Telegram group for the giveaway. Peace.